Hey everybody, Josh from Populi. This is a quick and dirty intro to Populi. I don't know why I said dirty. It's not supposed to be dirty. They instructed me to keep it clean. The call to action that we're headed for is at the end of the video, but why should I keep secrets from you? If you're interested in Populi, your next step is to go to populi.co and then click Get a Demo. Populi is a student information system, or SIS. It means it manages all of your students' records and transcripts. But is that all that it is? No, it's also a full-featured learning management system, and a student billing system, and a financial aid packager, and an admissions CRM, and a donations manager, and a library system, and an online bookstore, all of which work together in one piece of software. Here's what that means. Not only do you manage students in Populi in terms of admissions, registering them for courses, billing them, awarding financial aid, lots of other things, but your faculty can also build their courses directly in Populi. That's everything from syllabus to lessons to assignments and online tests, all in one spot. Like it says on our website, you can run your entire college efficiently using Populi. Before we go any further, here's a list of our tech requirements. The internet, and that's it. You don't have to download our software or maintain it or any of that stuff. You just easily access Populi in a web browser. Let's talk about Populi in terms of a student's journey. Students inquire about your school using an inquiry form you create in Populi. They apply to your school using an application you design in Populi. You manage the admissions process for that student, communicating with them via text and email, reviewing their application, overseeing their progress towards enrollment in Populi. You grant the accepted student access to Populi, and then they're able to register for their courses on their profile in Populi. You create tuition and fee charges for them and bill them in Populi. The student pays their bill in Populi. You award and disperse financial aid to the student in Populi. And for advanced financial aid teams, Populi can be set up to replace EdConnect and EdExpress. The student accesses classes, submits assignments, takes tests, participates in discussions, receives grades for their coursework in Populi. The administration at your school and the student can easily see their progress towards completion of their degree, the courses they've completed and those yet to complete in Populi. You confer the degree and are able to generate a transcript for the student in Populi. And along the way, everything that student has done, is doing, or plans to do can be found on their profile in Populi. That's one place to locate everything you know about that student. Down in the description, we have links to videos that have more detailed information about that student's journey. There's lots to dig into. So that's a low detail overview of features in Populi. We're leaving out a lot of stuff, but right now we're gonna move on to talking about an important conceptual aspect of Populi. We follow a software as a service model, or SaaS, and that means that we own the software and then you pay us monthly to use it. You, and we mean you, own your data. That means that you can take your data and leave at any time. There's no length of term on our agreement, and there are no cancellation fees, so you could start and then leave after 1 month. All of our hundreds of clients are on that same pricing model, and any of them could leave next month. This puts a healthy pressure on us to serve you well. The only way we get to see you next month is if we take care of you this month. Our last big value is our support team. They're a group of well-paid, smart folks with families. They're not just college interns who stick with us for a year. They gain lots of knowledge and experience, and they know what they're talking about. Our goal is to answer email tickets quickly. You can also get immediate support by phone, and all of this is free of additional charges. Again, we're leaving tons of stuff out, so your next step is to watch more videos to find out more about other aspects of Populi that we didn't cover, or go to populi.co, and here's that call to action again, and click on Get a Demo. After you sign up for a demo, one of our sales guys will get a hold of you and they'll set up a time to walk through features so they can show you what we have and answer your questions so you can find out what we don't have. Because of our pricing model, it's not in our best interest to convince you to sign up and then have you leave after a month. We're in it for the long haul, and so we try to make sure that you don't have any surprises, you know what you're getting into. And that's it. That's an intro to Populi, clean as a whistle. Bye.